Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x10 Xtreme Mudder 311s in a 0mm offset and some 35x1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now these are the R7 editions, not the R5s. These 311 Xtreme Mudder wheels, they're offered only in a 20-inch wheel. They're offered in a 20x10 and a 20x12. They're only offered in a gloss black and milled finish, and they're offered in a 5, 6, and 8 lug wheel. With that being said, I love how these look in person a whole lot more than what they look like online. Just blatantly honest. Also, this is a 20x10 with a 0mm offset, and it still has a good little 3.5-inch, 4-inch lip. So if you're looking for a little lip but not too aggressive of a stance, this wheel is a great wheel option for you. Also, Xtreme Mudders come in at a great price point, especially for a gloss wheel. These 35x1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires, they're the best economically priced tire on the market. They're a very aggressive mud terrain tire. They're owned by Omnisource. They balance relatively well, and they handle how a proper mud terrain tire should handle in 2018. It's not a mud terrain tire from the late 90s and the early 2000s. It's a mild-mannered mud terrain tire at a great price point. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, lift kits, fenders, running boards, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we'd love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.